Dear student, Advanced Java Programming is a subject for your syllabus in this semester. In this subject, the subject code is 22517. This subject carries the 100 marks for the theory and practical is the 50 marks. 100 marks is by forget 70 marks for end semester examination and 30 marks for progressive assessment, that is class test and micro project. Practical end semester examination 25 marks and progressive assessment is 25 marks. So in this subject, course outcomes: develop a program using GUI framework, AWT and Swing. Handle the events of AWT and Swing component. Develop a program to handle the events in Java programming. Develop Java program using networking concepts. Develop program using database. Develop programs using servlets. So we cover these course outcomes for your syllabus in this semester. This first course outcome, AWT and Swing, is our the chapter number 1 and handle the events of AWT and Swing component is covers in chapter number 1. Also, the develop the different programs that handles the events in Java programming, that is also chapter number 1. So networking concept, database connectivity and servlets, these are the different course outcomes for your syllabus. So we cover today's session. We take the revision of the applet programming. Applet, that part is already you covered in the last semester for the subject of the Java programming. So you having many concept that is used in the chapter number 1, AWT and Swing. So you know the what is the applet, what is the difference between applet and applications. Then we just understand the life cycle of the applet, what is the AWT package and simple applet program. These points we cover in today's session. What is the applet? Applet is a special kind of Java program that run in Java enabled browser. Everyone is knowing that browser is used to open the web page or website. So applet is nothing but the program. This program is developed for internet purpose or it is used for the server purpose. So applet is used for internet purpose. Means Java is also called as the internet purpose programming language. So web browser is a main role to open the web pages or a program that related with this applet. So it is the interesting one, applet. Applet, if you use or create a program, at that time you can create a subclass of the applet class, which is defined in the package java.applet package. So every time you can create the program by using the applet. So all the classes and methods associated with this applet class is available in the package, that is the java.a applet. So we use this package in your the program. You always use the first line, import java.applet.star. This line indicates that you have to use all the classes and methods that associated with the applet. Then you can create the file for this applet. How you create this file? Just by extending the applet class. Simple syntax: public class applet file name extend applet. It is the simple example. Public class applet demo is the name of the file, extend applet. When we understand the create the program, then you easily familiar with this syntax. So we turn to the next point. What is the difference between applet and application? In last semester, you create the many programs based on the Java application. Java applications is used in the our programming. Applet is also is used, but difference is, you understand, simple. Java application, it is the standalone application, standalone the program that can be executed independently. But here applet is the small Java program which is designed by using the HTML web documents, web page. Here everywhere Java application must have the main method, and Java applet do not need main method for the execution. That is the basic difference. Here in Java application, everywhere, every time you can write class file name bracket start public static void main string argument. It is the main file is needed for every time for Java application, but in applet there is no need of this main file. That is the basic difference. Java, in Java application, JRE needs, Java runtime environments is needed, but in applet can run independently. It requires the API. Java application do not need extend any class unless it requires, but Java applet must extend the class, that is the java.applet.applet class that we already seen the previously. Java application can execute code from the local system. Java applet application cannot do so. Java applications can access all the resources available in your system. So in Java applet, that can be access all the resources related with the web browser specific services. So I think all of you understand what is the applet. So we just revise applet. Applet, it is the web document. Applet not need the main file. Applet cannot run independently, it requires the API. And if you create the programming, then you always extend the Java applet by using the java.applet.star. Is for import purpose, and for file purpose java.applet class. Applet applications cannot require the any execute code from the local system, and it use the browser specific services. So we covered all the points that is related with this, a difference between applet and application. So we cover The life cycle of the Java applet. Java applet life cycle. Here is 1. Initialize, 2. Execute, 3. Ideal, 4. Destroy. Initialize, use the method init method. 2. Execute, it use the method paint. 3. Ideal, it takes the input from the stop and output the start. And then finally destroy method, it use the function destroy. Initialize method, stop method, start method, destroy method and paint method. These 5 functions is a important role to play the program of our the Java, of our the applet. So we just init method is initialize the applet. It is the always first one. If you start the program, it is the first step of the applet. Start method, it is just after the init method. When browser is maximized, it is start automatically. Then if you minimize the browser, then applet it become the stop, then stop method is executed. Minimize, we use the stop method. Maximize, we use the start method. Start method and stop method, it takes the play the role of the automatically. Then finally destroy. Destroy means if you want a end your the program, if you want a end, last end means finish the applet browser window, then destroy method is activated. It is always once, means the once method is init and once method is the destroy, but start method and stop method is used multiple times, many times. It is start, stop, execute, stop, or in this start method and stop method is important, is a necessary for the applet running state. Other than this, we use the another method, that is the paint method. Paint method, if you have to, if print the any information on the browser, on the window, output window, we use the paint method. For this paint method, there is the package java.awt.component, component class, then awt class, then Java, means package java.awt.component. For Java applet programming, we always need this java.awt package. We just revise this. The figure, in this figure, the paint method is used in the execute, at the time of the execute. Fourth point, abstract window toolkit. This point we cover in the next section. The subject chapter is AWT. The name of the chapter is AWT. AWT is a package, that is the collections of the classes and methods, just like the graphics, label, text box, button. These are different component are available in this java.awt package. So we take a simple program, and for this program we create a simple applet that display a welcome to Java programming. For this purpose, we use the graphics class. Graphics class is available in the java.awt package. java.awt.component package. What is the graphics class? Graphics class, it is a class present in the java.awt package, which is used to all graphical operation in applet window. Drawstring method is used to draw the specified string. The syntax of this drawstring is public void drawstring string str intx inty. Intx means it is the x coordinate of the window, y means y coordinate of the window. String means str means it is a display the window screen output. Here we use the component of the graphics class, graphics G. So we create the object for the graphics class by using the graphics G, and object dot method name G dot drawstring welcome. Welcome means this welcome text or message is display on the string, display on the window of the x and y coordinate. So all of you understand this. AWT, all the syntax is important: public void drawstring string str intx inty. G dot drawstring, G is what? G is the object of the graphics class. In next section we cover the graphics program, so you easier to understand what is the graphics programming. In this draw rect, draw oval, draw line, all this syntax is covered. Steps for creating a applet program by using applet viewer. Here we take a demo for creating a Java program by using Notepad. These are the different steps to create the programming. What are the steps for that? First step is create the Java file by using the Notepad. For example, we create the Java file, that is the applet demo.java. Second, import package, import java.awt.star, import java.applet.star. These are the two packages we use every time. Third, create a class by extending applet class. For example, public class applet demo extend applet. The first step is important. We create the Java file. Create the Java file as usual by using the notepad. Second, import package. Import the two package AWT and applet. Third, we create the applet class by extending the applet class. Create the subclass of the applet by extending the applet class. For example, public class subclass of the applet, extend applet. Then fourth step is override the paint method of applet class and display message using drawstring method. Public white paint graphics g dot drawstring. Welcome to the Java programming, x coordinate, y coordinate 150 150. Then write the applet tag, applet code. Applet tag is to run the applet window, applet program. Applet code welcome dot class width height. End the applet tag. Then you compile the Java program. Use the syntax Java C, file name dot Java. For example, Java C file name is Java C applet demo dot Java. To run the program by using the applet viewer tool, we use the applet viewer file name dot Java. Applet viewer welcome dot Java is the simple example. So fourth step is override the paint method of applet class. Fifth method is the applet code. Sixth method to compile the Java program. Seventh method to run the program by using the applet viewer tool. We cover all these concept of this applet program steps. We just revise this. What it is, override. Just to take the review, create the file, import the package, create the applet class file, then override the paint method by using the drawstring. We create the graphics G object, G dot drawstring, applet tag, then compile by using the Java C, file name dot Java. To run the applet by using the applet viewer, use the syntax applet viewer file name dot Java.